Autonomous driving functions and autonomous driving are heavily depending on the sensors which are capturing the surroundings of the vehicle. We have developed a measurement system which is able to characterize the environmental conditions during test drives. This can be easily mounted on the rooftop racks, and it measures temperature, humidity, visibility, rain, precipitation and other important characteristics which are needed for autonomous driving.
The Test.EPS mobile environmental sensor rack is built on the new LCM DigiTrans platform, which allows us to visualize and store the data in real time. The DigiTrans system can be used on static and mobile measurement operations like here on the DigiTrans Proving Ground.
Our measurement scenario looks as follows. We did several drives with speeds of 10, 20, 30 kilometers, up to 60 kilometers, even under heavy rain conditions. Here we have perfectly repeatable conditions, completely safe environment, and this allows us to perform scientific tests where we meet these reproducible, repeatable conditions.